Hello, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, let me show you how to delete specific data points from health application. So let's open health application on your device, and you want to go to Browse tab in the bottom right corner of your screen, and now navigate to any kind of category. Let's go to heart, for example, and let me open heart rate. So now I will scroll to the very bottom to see show all data button, and you want to find the incorrect entry, and you want to swipe left across it and then tap red button, red icon with trash bin that appears like this, and after this that specific data will be removed. But if you want to delete in bulk, then let's tap edit in the top right, and here you can see option delete all. You can tap it and your data will be wiped away. But if you delete an entry and it keeps reappearing after a few minutes, then it means that this data might be living in a third-party application. And what you want to do in this case, that you want to go to that specific third-party application and delete the entry inside that application firstly, and then simply resync back to Apple Health. That is basically it, and I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.